Hi friends, welcome back to Mantrix Max channel. This channel is based on the Ncert books which is meant for the CBSE syllabus. Today we are going to discuss how to find a polynomial if two zeros of the polynomial is given. So now let's start the topic and enjoy the learning. Here we are going to discuss how to form a quadratic polynomial with given zeros. So in quadratic polynomials, how many zeros will be there? There will be two zeros. So how to form a quadratic polynomial when 0 is given? So there is an equation that form, that is x square minus sum of the zeros x plus product of the zeros. This is the equation that we have to keep in mind for the further problem. So what is that? X square minus sum of the zeros plus product of the zeros. If alpha, beta are the zeros of the polynomial, if given two zeros are alpha and beta, what will be the form of the equation? That will be x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. Now for that, just do a problem says that find the quadratic polynomial whose sum of the zeros and product of the zeros are respectively 1 by 4 and minus 1. Here what is that? Sum of the zero is 1 by 4 and product of the zero is minus 1. We already know that what is equation? Equation is x square minus sum of the zeros x plus product of the zeros. Sum of the zero is 1 by 4 and product of the zero is minus 1. So then required equation will be x square minus 1 by 4x minus 1. Here the second term, just look at the second term, it is 1 by 4. For the single terms, let's multiply this quadratic polynomial by 4. Then what you will get? 4x square minus x minus 4. So the required polynomial with zeros of the polynomial 1 by 4 and minus 1. That is sum of the zeros 1 by 4 and the product of zeros minus 1 are 4x square minus x minus 4. Now just look at this questions and answers and verify that, and if you have any doubt means you can just ask at that. Okay, now let's move on to the second problem. Says find the quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 4 and 6. In previous question what you get? In previous question we get that sum of the zeros and product of zeros. Here what is that? Here given two zeros. Two zeros are 4 and 6. So what we have to do? We have to find which is the sum of the zero, product of the zero, and we can to equate the polynomial. Sum of the zero means what? 4 plus x. 4 plus x is equal to 10. Then product of zero is 4 into 6. That is equal to 24. Then what is the required polynomial? Required polynomial is x square minus sum of the zeros x plus product of the zeros. So hence the polynomial is x square minus 10x plus 24.